Petronas Gas intends to spend more than 1 billion ringgit of capital expenditure to revamp 2 out of the 6 existing gas processing plants located in Terengganu. Its chairman, Datuk Wan Zulkifli Wan Arifin, says this is because the plants have been operational for close to 20 years, close to the end of their useful life.
In excess of 1 billion ringgit for the next few years.
Speaking to reporters after the company's 26th AGM, Zulkifli says the company may not necessarily internally fund the cost and that it is looking at other cheaper and better alternatives to raise funds. The company has the total of 6 gas operating plants in Terengganu, 4 in Kertih and another 2 in Paka. On a separate note, Wan Zulkifli says the company's power plant in Kimanis, Sabah, a 60-40 joint venture with Yayasan Sabah, has already received the consent from the authorities to start work on a front-end engineering.
As of today, we expect the facilities to be operational by late 2030.
As if the Kimanis plan will improve the company's bottom line, he says that he is not in position to determine the numbers yet.
We are still very early in terms of engineering works. We have not finalized what's the capex involved and all that. So we've got to go through that and before we sanction the project, and then we'll have a better idea then.
Meanwhile, speaking on possible ventures outside Malaysia, Wan Zulkifli says the company will pursue any ventures that fits the company's risk profile.
Nothing stops us from doing that. So if it fits our risk profile, if we think we have the capacity and capability to do that.
The company's revenue for the financial year ending March 31st, 2009 increased to 3.415 billion ringgit from 3.125 billion ringgit the previous year. But its net profits plunged to 928 million ringgit from 1.092 billion ringgit last year. Wan Zulkifli says lower net profits are due to the rising cost of operations and fuel gas for the company's facilities.
We are doing a lot of activities in terms of cost containment and optimizing our costs. So that's a continuous effort. That's an ongoing effort.
At the AGM, shareholders approved a dividend payout ratio of 96% of the financial year ending March 31st, 2009 from 76% in the previous financial year.